Okay.
gorilla case on it.
Good.
Okay. So we're going to give Bailey her first adjustment. Her mom brought her in because she's having some trouble with reflux since birth, and she also has a head tilt, so they suspect she may have what's called torticollis, which is a malposition of the neck that causes tension in the muscles on one side. So this is my activator instrument. We use that to make a really light, fast thrust, and it's designed to be really comfortable and let me be really specific. So I'm just adjusting the vertebra where she is out of alignment. I'm going to ask you to move your hand. And we dial the instrument down really light because we're going to adjust her C1 vertebra way up high. Okay. And then her C2 on the opposite side. Okay. Very good. Okay, and that's it.